We're gonna go have lunch. We're gonna try Wolfpack for the first time, and maybe I'm gonna have coffee. Looking at the barbecue.
It looks like you're trying.
Because Luke was over here talking people's ear off again.
What? He's my match.
Uh-huh.
He talks a lot.
Yeah. We're trying out Wolfpack barbecue. I've been wanting to come here since I always go next door for coffee. The vittles have come in. Luke has pulled pork. The Vacuum has the bean burger with the loaded fries. Those loaded fries are really good. Saya has the same thing, but the non-loaded fries. And I have the 2-meat sandwich with regular fries. Let's not forget that Ancien has the beans and the burnt ends, and it's more or less the everything platter. We are satisfied. Coffee. Doggos. Timothy. Hey, Jim. Jimmy. Eyebrows. There he is. Timothy. Spella. There she is. Hi, Spella. Retail Rebel. Woohoo.
Hey, Doc, what are you doing over here?
There is some weather heading our way. Woohoo.
Oh my God. What do you think? Sa imo lang gut feeling, sa imo lang paminaw doon. Are they going to be good results? Both? Maybe. Maybe.